Open up the piano and let's play the melody of Come Jesus Come by Stephen McWhirter. This one's the key of C major, where we're going to use all the white keys, and the first position that we have is a finger 5 on high C. Now this high C is 8 steps up from middle C. Now these are middle C, moving up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're going to put our finger 5 on high C, and this is the first position that you need to have for Come Jesus Come chorus. Okay, so let's start with our first line. Come, Jesus, come. We have been waiting so long. We're going to have our finger 5 on C. 5, 4, 3, 3. Ho, 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 all the way. And we go 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so do you realize that the 3, 4 we've been is a little bit faster than the rest? Okay, so let's try one more time with the fingering. 5, 4, 3, 3. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. As for our note name, we have a C, B, A, ho, 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 ho. A, B, C, B, A, G. 2, 3, ho. Okay, so let's do it smoothly together. Ready? 1, 2, go. 5, 4, 3, 3. Ho, ho, and ho, ho, and ho. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ho, ho, and ho, ho, done. Okay, let's move on to our second line, where we're going to shift down our finger 3. Finger 3 initially is on A. Okay, now we're going to have our finger 3 shifting down to E. Okay, and the fingering is going to be a 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's try the alphabets. It's going to be a E, F, G, F, E, D, D, G, F, E, D, D, E, D, C. So if I put it together with the words, it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. For the day you return to heal every hurt and right every. And then we're going to move up to our next line. We have a wrong on finger 3. And then we're going to shift up finger 2 on G. And then finger back to finger 3 on A. We then have a 5, 4, 3, 3. Okay, we need you right now. So for our wrong, our third line, we have a finger 3 on E. Wrong. Then shift up finger 2. Wrong. And then we go 3, 5, 4, 3, 3. As for our alphabet, it's going to be a E, ho, ho, G, ho, ho, A, ho, A, C to B to A to A. Okay, so if I put it together with the words, it's going to be a wrong, wrong. We need you right now. Come and turn this around. We are still here. Come and turn this around with our fingering. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. So same thing, our 3, 4 is slightly faster. Come and is a little bit faster. So one more time, fingering. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, as for our alphabet, it's going to be a B, C, B, A, G. 2, 3, ho, 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 ho. And the last time, we're going to shift our finger 5 down, replacing our finger 2. Finger 5 put here, and I have a deep down. I know this world isn't home. Come, Jesus, come. Okay, with our fingering. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. As for our alphabet, it's going to be a G, F, E, D, D, G, F, E, D, ho, ho, E, D, C, C. Okay, so now we're going to put everything together. We're doing it slowly. So I'm just going to say the fingering as well as when to shift up and shift down. You can follow my fingering. After that, I will do it with an alphabet. Okay, so we have our finger 5 on high C. So we have a 1, 2, go. 5, 4, 3, 3, ho, ho, when, ho, ho, and we go. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, ho, ho, and hold. Shift down to E and go. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. Shift our finger to G. Hold, and 3, and 3. 5, 4, 3, 3. Hold, and hold, and go. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold, and hold, and shift down, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Hold, and hold. Done. Okay, so for our alphabet, let's play the alphabet smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, go. C, B, A, hold, and hold, and we go. A, B, C, B, A, G, hold, and hold. Shift down, go. E, F, G, F, E, D, D, G, F, E, D, D, E, D, C, E, go to G, go to A, and A, C to B to A, hold, and hold, and we go. A, B, C, B, A, G, hold, and hold, and shift down, and G, F, E, D, and D, G, F, E, D, hold, E, D, C, 2, 3, hold, and we are done. Okay, so one last time, I'm gonna say the lyrics together. 1, 2, 3. Come, Jesus, come, hold, and hold, and hold. We've been waiting so long, hold, and hold, shifting down for the day you return, and to heal every hurt and right every wrong. Shifting up, and we need you right now. Hold, and hold, and go. Come and turn this around. Hold, and hold, and shifting down, deep down. I know this world isn't home. 2, 3. Come, Jesus, come. 2, 3. Hold, and we are done. That marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.